Hello everyone, we're in Endurance Laser Lab. Today we're going to show you abilities of Endurance El Cheapo. It is already installed on our 3D printer, WanHao DuPlicator i3. We're going to show you how to cut different materials using our laser. First of all, prepare a metallic surface or anything that you will cover your engraving table to protect it from a laser beam. I already focused this laser on the top of this metallic part, so if you want to learn more about how to focus that laser, please visit our website endurancebrowsers.com or endurancelaser.com, where we share how to make it. One of our upgrades that we made on the 3D printer is we installed a button for emergency stop the laser. The first material that we're going to cut is a cardboard. It's very thin. It's about 0.5 millimeters, so it's very thin. We put it on the top of our metal part, and we're going to use magnets to prevent it flying away, because on our laser we use fan to cool laser. We already inserted SD card with prepared files, prepared G-code. Okay, we're choosing the right file and making sure that the laser is working, and let's cut! So we made it, we cut it out of black cardboard. Okay, here we go. We have cut cat from a cardboard with one single pass, and it took us about 17 seconds. Motor speed was 450 centimeters a minute, so the average speed of cutting was 45 centimeters a minute. Next material we're going to cut is a cardboard, but it's not white and not black, it's some sort of gray, and it's thicker. It's about 1 millimeter thickness. So we cut our gray cardboard with one pass. The motor speed was 400 millimeters a second. So the average cutting speed was 40 centimeters a minute. Next material is black acrylic. Thickness is 1.5 millimeters. Yeah, do not forget that it's chemically active, so it's better that you have airflow or you are doing this exercise somewhere outside. So at the end, to cut 1.5 millimeter acrylic, it took us 6 passes with a speed 600 millimeters a minute, and the final speed of cutting was 10 centimeters a minute. Next material we are cutting is PVC, so it's 3 millimeters. So we had to make about 10 passes. The speed was pretty high, 900 millimeters a minute, so the average cutting speed was 9 centimeters a minute. But it's very important that since we are doing it on a 3D printer, we were able to go down on Z-axis, so to remain in focus. So we used several step down times. So we did it. We went down several times, and we were always in focus while we did this laser cut on PVC. Okay, then we go with plywood, 3-layer plywood, 3 millimeters thickness. Okay, we used about 6 passes. The speed was lower, 300 millimeters a minute, and the average speed of cutting was 5 centimeters a minute. It was not so fast. Now we're going to cut 3 millimeter acrylic. It's also black. Okay, so we cut black acrylic. The thickness is 3.3 millimeters. That's about 10 passes, and the speed is 300 millimeters a minute, and the average speed was about 3 centimeters a minute. Next material is black and white plastic, so it's 0.6 millimeters. It's very thin, but we have to warn you that it takes multi passes to cut, so it's not so fast, and it took us like 5 minutes. And now we'll do the same laser cutting, but we'll put not a black part on top but a white part, so we'll have different measurements. So we're going to cut 5 millimeters of wood. So since we already made a focus before, and this piece of wood has 5 millimeter height, so we have to move our laser 5 millimeters upper to make sure that will stay and will remain in focus. That is very important. So totally it takes about 7 minutes to cut this cat. So 5 millimeter of wood, 16 passes. The motor speed is 300 millimeters a minute. So the average cutting speed is about 2 centimeters a minute. Next material is fiberboard. The thickness is 2.5 millimeters, and it takes about 11 minutes to cut, and the average speed of cutting is 1.1 centimeter a minute, so it's not that fast. And now the final 6-layer plywood. The thickness is 8.6 millimeters. It is more than 0.3 inch, so get ready. Yeah, the average speed is 1.5 centimeters a minute, the average laser cutting speed. Now you see the true power of 5.6 watt diode El Cheapo laser that is produced by robots everywhere. Hope that you like this video. Please share it with your friends, put likes, and subscribe on our YouTube channel, and have a nice engraving. Bye bye.